Today we are going to start a new subject, that is maths for class 11th, and I am going to cover the NCERT book. The whole book I'll cover, all the topics I'll cover, but first of all we'll start from trigonometry. Okay, here everything we'll see from where the word trigonometry derived from, why the subject has been developed. Okay, so first of all we'll see trigonometry. The word trigonometry is derived from where? Okay, trigonometry is the combination of two words, trigon and metron. Okay, so these are Greek words. Trigon and metrons are the Greek words. Okay, so trigon मतलब क्या होता है? Triangle, and metron means measuring the sides. Okay, मतलब measuring, actual measurement. So trigonometry means the measuring the sides of a triangle. Okay. Now, why this subject was developed? Basically, this subject was developed for solving all the geometric problems related to triangles. मतलब triangle related जितने भी geometric problems होंगे वो solve करने के लिए this subject trigonometry has been developed. Okay. So first of all we'll see angles, because for triangle measurement of side of triangles, measuring the side of triangles के लिए we need the angles of the triangle, because triangles means triangles has three sides. Okay, and there are three types of triangles. I know you might be knowing about this, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. So scalene triangle क्या होता है? If one side, if all the sides are different, if a triangle whose all the sides are different, scalene triangle. Okay, and isosceles triangle means two angles equal. ये दोनों angles equal है, then this triangle will be called as isosceles triangle. And what is equilateral triangle? All the sides are and all the angles are equal, then this type of triangle is called equilateral triangle. Okay, now first of all we'll see angles. Okay, because when we are talking about triangles now, we need to know about the angles. Okay, यहाँ पे there is one more type of triangle is there, that is right angle triangle. मतलब one angle is 90 degree. Okay, so and we all know that the angle sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so first of all we'll start from angles. Okay, if this is a line, sorry, ray. Okay, and so this will be called as initial side. Okay, and we have to find out the angle. So this will be called as, here in this case this will be, if this angle we have to find out, this is vertex. Okay, so this will be called as initial angle. Okay, and this will be called as terminal angle. Okay, ठीक है, तो initial angle and terminal angle. So if going upward, this angle will be a positive angle. ठीक है, ये क्या होगा? Positive angle होगा. Okay, now if we have this one, this vertex 0, मतलब vertex O, and this point, from this point if we have to find out the angle, this one, ये क्या है? हमारा x axis है. Okay, so if this will be initial triangle, initial angle, and this will be called as the terminal angle. Okay, and this angle will be a negative angle, because हमारा जो ये होता है ना, vertex से when we are going vertex O, we are going this, ऐसे this direction में जाता है. Okay, it will go like this. So when we are covering one this side na, this will be 180 degree. Why? We'll talk this later. Okay, first of all see, this will be a negative angle. ये क्या होगा? एक negative angle. Okay, होगा? Now we'll see about angles. कैसे होते हैं angles? Okay, we have a ray. Okay, this is a ray. Okay, this is vertex. Okay, and when this is completing one circle now, when this is completing one circle, this angle will be 360 degree. 360 degree का angle. Okay, So when this is completing half circle, this will be, ये क्या होगा फिर, ये क्या होगा, this angle will be 180 degree, because the full circle is 360 degree, then half circle will be 180 degree. Okay, similarly if we have, okay, we'll see, this is first, this is called as first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Okay, when the angles are in first quadrant, so this angle, this is 90 degree. Okay, and this is 180 degree. When this is completing one circle, पूरा एक round मारता है, then that will be 360 degree. So half circle will be 180 degree, and 1/4 circle will be 90 degree, half of 180. Okay, so similarly when this is going here, it will be 270 degree, and when this is covering the whole complete circle, then this will be 360 degree होगा. Now if अगर ऐसा है कि it's going like this, अगर यहाँ तक गया, then 360 plus 90, what will be the value? 450 degree. Okay, now if we have angle, this is 60 degree angle, this angle is 60 degree. Okay, ठीक है. Now ये angle कितना होगा, again it's going here till here, यहाँ तक गया, तो क्या होगा, this is completing 360 here plus 60, 360 plus 60 will be 420 degree का angle. Okay, so you understood this. So now we'll see radians, relation between angles and radians. क्या होता है, 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so 2 pi मतलब that is the whole, this one यहाँ तक जाएगा. Okay, so this is 2 pi. Okay, 2 pi r radius के साथ जब हम लेते हैं तो 2 pi r is the circumference of a circle ना. So that's why here 2 pi means 1 radian को हम we are taking 2 pi times. Okay, so 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. So pi का वैल्यू क्या होगा, pi will be equal to 180 degree होगा. Now we have to convert all the angles in terms of pi. Pi के term में we have to convert. So 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, and 180 to we know 180 degree is pi. Okay, 360 degree is 2 pi. Okay, we know this. Now तो 90 degree क्या होगा, half of 180 will be pi upon 2. Now half of 90 will be pi upon 4. So 45 degree is equal to, उसे हम pi by 4 भी बोलते हैं. और now 60 degree is equal to 180 upon 3 is equal to 60. So pi upon 3 is 60. Okay, and now 30. So 60 का half, so pi upon 6 is equal to 60. So these are the relation between angles and radians. So based on angles, we should know angles or radians का relationship, so that we can find out the value of sine, cos, tan. Angles का जो value रहेगा pi के term में we should know, so that it will be easy for us to find out the value when we are using tan, cos, sine. Okay. Now if the question is, if we have 40 degree and 20 minute, and we have to find out the equivalent जो radian होगा, we have to find out. कैसे करेंगे, minute means first of all just try to understand what is minute. 20 minute मतलब 1/3 of hour. Okay, होता है ना, normal clock हम consider करते हैं. So 1 minute, 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. Okay, and 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Okay, so seconds को हम कैसे denote करते हैं, if we have 30 seconds तो seconds ऐसे denote करेंगे, if we have 30 minutes ऐसे denote करेंगे, and this 30 minutes is equal to कितना, 1/2 degree. Okay, and this will be equal to 1/2 minute. Got it? Now we have to find out 40 degree and 20 minutes. So this will be equal to 40 into 40 plus 1 upon 3 degree. Okay, इतना degree होगा. It means we can write directly 40 into 1 upon 3 degree. Okay, इतना degree. Now this much degree is given. So what we have to do? We have to find in radians. So it means pi upon 180. Pi is equal to 180 degree. So pi upon 180 degree into 40 into 40 1 upon 3 degree किया. Okay. So now we have to divide it, and after dividing it we'll get this. We'll get 1 to 1 121 pi upon 121 pi upon 540. इतना रेडियंस हमें मिलेगा. Okay, so this will be in radian. Okay. This one 121 pi upon 540 radians. Okay, so based on these concepts you can do sums of the exercise, and for more sums और ज़्यादा practice के लिए you can go for R.D. Sharma book. R.D. Sharma book is good, and उसमें काफ़ी सारे sums भी दिए हैं and different types of sums, and for practice you should do those sums. Okay,
I hope you understood the concept. For
any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.